In Lecture 22 of ECE 476, we look at measuring your heart rate. Now the sensor I'm using is from Amazon. It's a pulse sensor heart rate sensor. The schematics are I have a 1.65 volt reference, the heart rate sensor along with variable gain. And to use it, what the code looks like, this is on a Raspberry Pi Pico. I've got a gain adjust. The button over here is to collect 1,000 data points and then plot it. With the gain is too low, here's what the pulse looks like. Okay, I've got my finger over the pulse sensor. It picks off the change in reflectivity of green light when my heart beats. If the gain is too low, it's fairly noisy. If I turn the knob to the right, that increases the gain. Too much gain looks like this. That's a clipping signal. Back off on the gain until it's no longer clipping. And there's your pulse. It's actually a very easy sensor to use. On the software, if I hit the left button, it saves the data to a data file, and I can keep on going. So that is measuring your pulse using a pulse rate sensor and a Raspberry Pi Pico.